So here is actually not a bad afternoon. It's a little bit on the breezy side, so perhaps it feels a little bit cool at times with that wind taking the edge off the temperatures. So the best of the weather will be across northern parts of the UK, certainly across Scotland, but remember the temperatures are magnificent. We're only talking about, say, 10, 11, 12 degrees, something like that. Quite a brisk wind coming in out of the east, but at least it's sunny, so that's one good aspect of the weather. Lovely afternoon for Northern Ireland here, temperatures of 12 degrees, also in Belfast, and then we get into this zone of cloud and rain stretching all the way from the Irish Sea into Wales. It looks as though the very far southwest of the country should escape the worst of the weather. Here we're just talking about a couple of light showers and mostly bright weather as well, but the good news is the breeze isn't as strong here. The very southern counties should get away with dry weather as well, but across the Midlands and into the London area, well, it's not a pretty picture, and you know that if you live in London. Grisly weather, as Emily just said. Now, the rain across the south of the UK will pretty much stay where it is through the course of the night. Either side of that, it's going to be quite clear, so the lowest temperatures in Scotland tonight, say around about 6 degrees or so. Where we've got the cloud and the rain, it'll probably stick around 10 in London. That's 50 Fahrenheit. And this weather front is stationary tomorrow, or there will be a very, very slow drift towards the south, so it's not quite stationary. And temperatures tomorrow best in the north, around about, say, 16 degrees or so, with a lighter wind. In the south, where we've got the cloud and the rain, it looks as though it'll hang around 13 degrees. Now, unfortunately, as we head into Saturday, it looks as though the rain is still in the south, but it would have moved a little bit further southwards. Now, by no means is this set in stone. It could be further southwards still, could be a little bit further north. But the good news is that eventually that cloud and the grisly weather will fade away, and all of us, certainly by Sunday, should see some weekend sunshine. So there is decent weather on the way as we go through the weekend. Here's a look at the highs then. Sunday, temperatures in London in the sunshine getting up to 17 degrees. Cardiff around about 14 with blue skies as well. And the north of the country, of course, will also enjoy that weekend sunshine with temperatures hovering around 15, 16 degrees with light winds as well. And our friends the other side of the world in Shanghai for the Grand Prix will be enjoying temperatures of around about 20 degrees with just a couple of light showers come Sunday. And of course, coverage is on BBC One as well as 5 Live.